morning, students. Today's concept is multiple angles. The meaning of multiple angle is, suppose A be a given angle, okay, then angles in the form 2A, 3A, 4A dash 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 are called multiple angles. Here A is multiplied by 2, here A is multiplied by 3, here A is multiplied by 4. Okay, so these type of angles are called multiple angles. For any given angle A, 2A, 3A, 4A are called multiple angles. In our syllabus, we are dealing with only two multiple angles, that is 2A and 3A. First, see trigonometric ratios of 2A. Okay, that means here you are calculating sin 2A value, cos 2A value, and tan 2A values. Just consider sin 2A. Okay, sin 2A, it's equal to, you can write it as sin of A plus A. In the compound angle we studied, right? Sin 75, you can write it as 30 degree plus 45 degree. Similarly, sin 2A can be written as sin of A plus A, and sin of A plus B, it's equal to, what's the formula? Sin of A plus B is equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay, now see the above equation, it's in the form sin of A plus B. Here A angle is equal to A, angle B is equal to again A, right? In place of B you need to substitute A, because here sin of A plus A is there. So sin of A plus A is equal to sin A into cos A plus cos A into sin A, because here angle B is nothing but A. Simplify this one, sin 2A is equal to sin A cos A plus sin A cos A. A plus A, it's equal to 2A. Similarly, sin A cos A plus sin A cos A, it's equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Therefore, sin 2A value is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Very important formula, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Next one is cos 2A. Cos 2A is equal to cos of A plus A. You can write angle 2A as sum of two angles, that is A plus A. And we have the formula cos of A plus B is equal to cos A cos B minus sin A into sin B. Okay, it's a formula for cos of A plus B. Now substitute cos of A plus A, because here angle B is nothing but A, is equal to cos A minus sin A sin A. Okay, then cos of A plus A is cos 2A is equal to cos A is cos square A, right? X into x square. Similarly, cos A cos A whole square. Cos A whole square can be written as cos square A. Similarly, here sin A, it's equal to sin square A. It's a one formula for cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now see, we have cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, we have trigonometric identity sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. Okay, by this trigonometric identity, cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A. And how to write sin square A? Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. Okay, in this formula, first I am substituting cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, so cos 2A is equal to cos square A in place of cos square A, I am substituting 1 minus sin square A. Okay, outside minus sin square A. Simplify this one, cos 2A is equal to 1 minus sin square A minus sin square A. It's equal to minus 2 sin square A. Okay, therefore cos 2A can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square A also. Again consider that formula, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Now see, cos 2A is equal to, in the previous formula you are substituting cos square A equal to 1 minus sin square A. In this formula I am substituting sin square A equal to 1 minus cos square A. So it's equal to cos square A minus sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A. Now see, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus into minus plus cos square A plus cos square A. It's equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. It's another formula for cos 2A. See, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. It's a one form. Another form is cos 2A equal to 1 minus 2 sin square A. Another form is cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Next is tan 2A. Tan 2A is equal to tan of A plus A by the compound angle property. Tan 2A can be written as tan of A plus A. And we have the formula tan of A plus B. It's equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. Now substituting angles in this formula, tan of A plus A is equal to tan A plus tan A, because here angle B equal to A, right, divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A. Now see, tan of A plus A is tan 2A. It's equal to tan A plus tan A. It's equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan A into tan A. It's equal to tan square A. X into x, x square. Tan A into tan A whole square. Tan A whole square can be written as tan square A. Therefore, tan 2A formula is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. These are some important trigonometric ratios of 2A. Once again see, sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A into cos A. Cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Again one more formula, cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. Also cos 2A can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square A, and tan 2A is equal to 2 tan A divided by 1 minus tan square A. These are some important formulas under trigonometric ratios of angle 2A. Okay, see, cos 2A, here you can see 3 formulas. According to the given question, you are selecting the formula. In most of the questions, they will ask, prove that left hand side equal to RHS 1 value. That time, according to the question, you need to select cos 2A value. Okay, to get the given RHS, it's not possible to apply formula randomly. First, you need to check the RHS. Then, according to the RHS, out of these 3 formulas, you need to select one formula. Okay, we'll see that in problem solving. Okay, next is trigonometric ratios of angle 3. Sine 3a, we can write it as sine of 2a plus a, right? Sine of 2a plus a equal to sine 3a. Then apply sine of a plus b formula. Sine of a plus b is equal to sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. In the next step, sine of 2a plus a is equal to, see, you can write it as a plus 2a or 2a plus a. It's same by commutative property. So here I am taking angle A is equal to 2a and angle B is equal to a. You can prove that by taking B is equal to 2a and a is equal to a also. Okay. Sine of 2a plus a equal to sine 2a into cos a plus cos 2a into sine a. It is equal to sine 2a formula. Sine 2a formula is 2 sine a into cos a into remaining term cos a plus here cos 2a is there. For cos 2a we have three formulas, but here function sine given, right? You're proving for sine or you're finding formula for sine 3a. So in cos 2a formula you need to select formula with the only sine function. We have the formula cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a, right? I'm selecting this formula to find the value of sine 3a. Substitute here, cos 2a can be written as 1 minus 2 sine square a into sine a. Again see, 2 sine a cos a is there, multiply, you will get 2 sine a into cos square a plus sine a into 1 is sine a minus 2 into sine square a is 2 sine cube a. Just multiplying. Since you are proving formula for sine 3a, you need to rewrite cos in terms of sine only. Okay, sine 3a formula, you need to get sine only. So here cos square is there, it's equal to 2 sine square a. I'm writing cos square a as 1 minus sine square a. It's a trigonometric identity, right? Sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1. How to write cos square a? Cos square a is equal to 1 minus sine square a, right? So cos square a can be written as 1 minus sine square a plus sine a minus 2 sine cube a. In the next step, simplify this one. Multiply 2 sine a into 1. It's equal to 2 sine a. Then 2 sine a into sine square a. Minus is there, right? You'll get minus 2 sine cube a. Then here plus sine a. And the remaining term minus 2 sine cube a. Minus 2 sine cube a. Okay. Left hand side sine of 2a plus a. It is sine 3a is equal to 2 sine a plus sine a. It's equal to 3 sine a minus 2 sine cube a, 2 sine cube a. It's equal to 4 sine cube a. Therefore, value of sine 3a is equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. See here, sine 3a, here observe right hand side only sine function is there. So, while proving the formula, first see, you are writing sine of 2a plus a, applying sine of a plus b formula. That time we will get cos as well as sine function. Then see, here you will get cos 2a, right? We want only sine in the RHS because in the formula only sine is there in the RHS. So first step, you need to convert cos 2a in terms of sine. We have the formula. In out of three formulas, you are selecting cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine square a formula. Reason is we want sine function in the RHS. To remove cos function, you are selecting that formula. Then see, here multiplying you will get cos square a. We want only sine. So you are writing cos square a as 1 minus sine square a. Then simplifying, you will get sine 3a equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. While proving the formula for sine 3a, after applying sine of a plus b formula, you need to convert cos function into sine using previous formulas. Clear? Next is cos 3a. Cos 3a can be written as cos of 2a plus a, or by commutative property you can write it as a plus 2a. Formula remains same. Apply cos of a plus b formula. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. It's a compound angle formula, right? Okay. Then cos of 2a plus a is equal to, substitute a is equal to 2a, angle b is equal to a, cos 2a into cos a minus sin 2a into sin a. Okay. It's equal to, here see you are finding formula for cos 3a. Cos 2a is there. Out of the three formulas, apply the formula which contains only cos. Cos 2a, you can write it as 2 cos square a minus 1. See other two formulas, cos square a minus sin square a is there. And the third formula, 1 minus 2 sin square a. That two formulas has sine function, right? Since you are proving cos 3a formula, we want only cos function. For that reason, cos 2a, you are selecting the formula 2 cos square a minus 1. Clear? Into cos a minus sin 2a. Sin 2a formula is 2 sin a into cos a into sin a, keeping minus sign outside. Here multiply 2 cos square into cos a, 2 cos cube a. Cos a into minus 1 minus cos a. Keeping minus sign outside. Here see 2 into sin a into sin a, sin square a into remaining term cos a. In the next step, simplify. Here you will get 2 cos cube a minus cos a. Okay. Then minus 2 into sin square into cos a is there. Keeping minus 2 into cos a outside. See, sin square a is remaining, right? You need to write sin square a in terms of cos because you are proving cos 3a formula. So, sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a by the identity sin square a plus cos square a equal to 1. So, sin square a can be written as 1 minus cos square a. Now, again simplify 2 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a minus into minus plus 2 cos square a into cos a is cos cube a. Now see, LHS is equal to cos 3a is equal to 2 cos cube a plus 2 cos cube a, it's equal to 4 cos cube a minus cos a minus 2 cos a minus 3 cos a. It's a formula for cos 3a. Clear? Next formula is tan 3a. Tan 3a can be written as tan of 2a plus a by the compound angle property. And we have the formula tan of a plus b is equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. In the next step, see, tan of a plus b means 2a plus a is equal to tan a, that is tan 2a plus tan a divided by 1 minus tan 2a into tan a. In place of angle A, you are substituting 2a. In place of B, you are substituting it's equal to angle A. Now see the RHS. Tan 2a is there. What's the formula for tan 2a? Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. This value you need to substitute in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Okay. In the next step, see, tan 2a. Substitute tan 2a. 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a, okay, plus remaining term is tan a divided by, whole sum is divided by 1 minus tan a into tan 2a. What's the value of tan 2a? Tan 2a value is 2 tan a divided by 1 minus tan square a. In the next step, simplify this one. See, what's the LCM for the numerator? 1 minus tan square a is the LCM. Since 2 tan a has denominator 1 minus tan square a, it remains same. It's equal to 2 tan a plus here 1 is there, right? So cross multiply tan a into 1 minus tan square a. Okay, whole divided by, see the denominator. What's the LCM for the denominator? Denominator also LCM is 1 minus tan square a, right? 1 minus tan square a. Okay, then see here only 1 is there, right? Cross multiply, you'll get 1 minus tan square a, okay, minus tan a into 2 tan a is 2 tan square a, right? Divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, just taking LCM. See here, 2 tan a by 1 minus tan square is there. LCM is 1 minus tan square a, right? 1 minus tan square a, 2 tan a plus cross multiply tan a into 1 minus tan square a. Denominator, see here, tan a into 2 tan a is 2 tan square a. Denominator 1 minus tan square a is there. Cross multiply 1 into 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a whole divided by 1 minus tan square a. Okay, 1 minus tan square a, 1 minus tan square a get cancels. Simplify, it's equal to 2 tan a, okay, multiply tan a into 1 is plus tan a minus tan cube a, right? Tan square a into tan a is tan cube a divided by 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. Okay, LHS is tan 3a is equal to, see here, 2 tan a plus tan a, 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a. Okay, minus minus, you need to add, right? Minus tan square a minus 2 tan square a minus 3 tan square a. Okay, it's a formula for tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Now once again recall all the multiple angle formulas. First is sin 2a. Sin 2a is equal to 2 sin a into cos a. Second one is cos 2a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Then cos 2a is equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Then 3a formulas, right? Sin 3a is equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. Then cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Then tan 3a is equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a divided by 1 minus 3 tan square a. Okay, by head all these formulas, all formulas are very important. In the next session, we'll solve some problems related to these formulas. Okay, thank you.